Hi, I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers is basically synonymous with weight loss. The program has been around for over 50 years and it's still going strong. Weight Watchers has recently updated its program to incorporate new findings, more tools, and better weight loss support resources. Based on a SmartPoints system, Weight Watchers has been proven to help people lose weight. Now Weight Watchers is also educating folks about healthier eating and living habits. If you don't mind a little meal tracking, Weight Watchers is a good option. The program has been proven to work. So, it's an easy win. There's also a ton of support, including community and personal coach support. So if you want some hand-holding, this is the right address. Weight Watchers has 3 plans to choose from. An exclusively online track that puts the control in your hands and gives you tools to stay on track. An online and weekly meeting plan that lets you meet up with other members once a week, and a one-on-one personal coaching plan. The menu is really limited to what you like and what you feel like making, since Weight Watchers doesn't provide prepared meals. Instead, the Weight Watchers program gives you a tailored diet plan and the support needed to stay on target. Weight Watchers also has 9,000 plus recipes that you can make. All Weight Watchers food plans come with a detailed explanation of the SmartPoints system. Points are calculated with your details in mind, including height, age, and activity level. You can generally eat anywhere from 25 to 30 points per day, which means there's a lot of variety. Weight Watchers doesn't offer prepared meals, so all of the meal prep is on your shoulders. This is a bit of a bummer for those looking for quick and easy, but it actually teaches you how to cook healthy, preparing you for eating healthy in real life. Weight Watchers takes your fitness level into consideration when calculating your points allowance. Basically, you can eat more when you exercise more. Weight Watchers uses a fitness tracker to keep tabs on your activity level and rewards you with more SmartPoint allowances. There are also exercise guides on the site. Weight Watchers is a big believer in support as a necessity for weight loss. That's why it has 24/7 live chat support and a warm community of members. There are also coaching plans with access to personal coaches who will build your diet plan and keep tabs on you. Weight Watchers has a terrific mobile app for iOS and Android devices. It has a ton of useful tools to aid in your weight loss goals. Get things like food, activity, water, and even sleep trackers. Search for specific foods and personalized recipes, and get daily tidbits for healthier habits. Weight Watchers has 3 plans. The digital plan costs $3.30 a week and includes personalized diet plans, over 9,000 recipes, workouts, menu planning tools, and 24/7 coaching. Digital 360 gives you that at $4.23 a week, plus live videos and weekly meetups. Unlimited costs you $5.96 a week and gives you everything. I've been using Weight Watchers for a month now and had a very good experience. I've already recommended the service to 2 friends. I've joined Weight Watchers twice in the past, but find this plan is the best they've ever had. The meeting I go to is amazing. It makes me feel like I'm part of a community and really supported. I love this program. I've been a member for 4 weeks and I'm already seeing a steady weight loss. I'm really excited to go to my meetings. Weight Watchers has so much to offer anyone who is serious about weight loss. There are tons of educational resources that teach you how to change habits, eat better, and live a healthier lifestyle. Weight Watchers also has great coaching and an easier point system to follow. I hope this video helped you decide whether Weight Watchers is the right weight loss program for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.